by minute. We're going to see just about every season in the next 24 hours.
Yes, we are, as a matter of fact. It is going to get really cold by Friday morning after being so warm today, so your blood is all thinned out right now. It's going to have to thicken up a little bit. Let me show you, first of all, the end of a very nice day here in Denver. This is just the last few minutes, our sunset here at City Park. Not a cloud in the sky. And indeed, you wouldn't think there's anything going on, but astute weatherologists do know that there's something about to happen. This is what it looked like up at Winter Park, and look at the alpenglow kick in here, just right there. Golden beauty up that way, but those clouds will be coming our way for tomorrow, and a few inches of snow for the mountains and the foothills. 84 today. The normal high is at 62, and the old record was at 80, so we really blew that thing away, and the normal low is at 33. Currently, we're 73 still downtown, 74 out at the airport. It's dry, 11% relative humidity. Pressure's falling as a weather system begins to move in, and the winds are out of the west-northwest at 16. First alert weather. Changing over to an alert action day for tomorrow that begins early tomorrow. Much colder weather, light rain changing over to light snow. Be ready for it. Let me explain what's going to happen. Right now it's quiet here. You see there's no clouds anywhere nearby. The front is now just beginning to exit Montana and move into northern parts of Wyoming, heading our way at about 35 miles an hour. So by 6 a.m. tomorrow, we're still going to be at around 50 degrees, but by noon, drop it down to 45. By 6 o'clock, we'll be at 38. So that's about 40 degrees colder than it is right now. And by midnight tomorrow night, we'll be down to 29 degrees. It's not going to be a huge snowmaker, but the temperature contrast is going to be pretty dramatic. So here we are currently. Let me draw this through you overnight tonight. By midnight, we're still going to be in the mid-50s, but the front just starting to show up to the north of us. It's going to be right on our doorstep by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So the morning commute's going to be okay. Not a problem, but the afternoon will be a bit of a different story. By the time we get to lunchtime, rain develops, some snow expected across the foothills above 6,000 feet. There'll be a changeover to snow by about the 6 o'clock hour, but by that time it's already starting to push down to the south of us. And then by the time we get to midnight tomorrow night, the much colder air coming in, temperatures dropping into the upper 20s to around 30. By Friday morning, it's going to be down into the upper teens to mid-20s across the Front Range. As far as snowfall, it's not going to be a huge deal. This is mostly a cold air thing coming in as far as this one is concerned. A trace out across most of the eastern plains, 1 to 3, Jefferson, Douglas County, 3 to 6, maybe locally up to about 8 when you get above 10,000 feet along the Continental Divide. So this is Friday morning. Aurora, Arvada, Fort Collins, all down around 20. 9 a.m. around 30, and by lunchtime getting around 40 degrees. As far as our conditions coming up, much colder tomorrow, a little light rain, light snow, very cold morning on Friday. Saturday gets better, back to 57. Sunday, very nice, sunny, pleasant, and 65. And looking ahead to Halloween, it looks like a minor little system coming through. A little bit of rain shower activity, perhaps a few foothills flurries, and temperatures expected in the 40s.
Oh my God.